Guys, coming this week is an energetic Bhangra number to this lovely peppy song, Iski Uski. So do be there and do watch the videos. We are going to have a lot of fun. Now starting with part 1 of the song, Iski Uski. So guys, Bhangra all the way. Let's begin. Let's begin with the first step of the song, Iski Uski. Watch me do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up. Yes, very simple step. Get into the Bhangra mode. Let's try it again. In and out. Now while you're doing this, your right foot is constantly stomping. Yes, in and out. Make sure your hands are straight. Take it all over your head and down. One straight line. Looks very good. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, step out to the right side. Down and up. Down and up. How easy is that? Just here. Okay, let's go ahead and try to music. Before we start, remember there's a little bit of entry to this movement. Watch me do the step. Very simple. All you're doing is down and up and down and up. You're going to do this precisely for 16 counts. If you're dancing on stage, you'll always take that much time to get on stage. If you're a group of many people, you can do half this side and half this side, as you please, okay? So let's go ahead and try the first step as well as the entry to music. So you've just finished previously 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up. You finished in second position. You're walking forward, right leg, 1, 3. We can do this with a slight variation. Boys, all you can do is a Bhangra hand down, down and up. Yeah, so you can go down, down, up, up, and girls, you can go hip, hip. From that, both can do the same thing. Very simple. Step your leg forward and all you're doing is 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how simple the step is. So I hope you've got the variation. We are doing 2 variations. One boy, one girl. The boys go ballet down, ballet up. Okay, from there 5, 6, 7, 8. And the girls can go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Let's go ahead and try this one to music. I will be doing the girls' variation. Be ready. 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. That's it. Moving on to the third step. Very simple again. Again, staying in the Bhangra mode. We are going 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, up. Very simple, isn't it? Let's try it again. So what are we doing? In, out, circle and in. Watch it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep stomping only your right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out, circle and in. From there, a very simple twist. Down and up. That's it. Watch the twist again. Always lift your heels slightly off the floor to go 5 and 7. Yes? Let's try this step once without music. In, out, circle and in, twist and twist. Now, control your movement. Don't let this happen. It's not all over the place. In, out, circle and in. Yes? Let's go ahead and try to music. 5, 6, 7, 8, in. Down, up. Moving on, last step, watch me do it. All you're doing is 1, 2, 3, clap, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Step your right leg out, hand is here. Imagine there's a table so your hands can't go down. Just in this plane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming back, same way. Yes, so you've gone left to right, you come back right to left. Let's try it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Clap. 5, 6, 7, 8. So when are we clapping? 4 and 8. That's right. So let's go ahead. Try this one to music too. 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap. Time for a quick recap of part 1. So let's go ahead and try to music. watching this video of the song Iski Uski. Hope you've enjoyed dancing to this cute Bhangra number. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Do write back with feedback, suggestions. I'm waiting to hear from you. Thank you, guys.